our colleagues, the media. As security, we have had a series of meetings, and this series of meetings is for the purposes of seeing that we secure this event, and our own main objective is that the event should start peacefully and should end peacefully without any problem. But you have heard the Father is inviting everybody, and I also call upon everybody to come because there will be security. But as we invite people, a big crowd like that also attracts several wrong elements who have their own intentions, not the other intention of coming here to celebrate, but they have their own intentions. And that's why as security, we have been having these meetings. Although for these celebrations, as security, we have not picked any specific threats targeting these celebrations, but there are a few isolated threats that we have picked, and which we think that might interfere with the celebration. One is general crime, especially our indisciplined children who might have intentions of, one, either coming here to vandalize vehicles, or pickpocket, or to snatch phones. But as security, we have taken care of that. We are going to deploy in numbers our intelligence agencies. They will be in civilian clothes. They will be among the worshippers. They will be among the guests, that in case anybody tries to do anything, you might say, hey, this is a powerful celebration occasion where we expect, and it is going to be in a holy place, where we expect nobody to have anything of, to have a mind of stealing. But we have witnesses nowadays in churches. We get reports of somebody going for a Holy Communion, coming back when he has left the bag behind, coming back when the bag is not there. So we have taken care of that this time, that we shall deploy our intelligence among the worshippers. They will not be in uniform. They will be there. See that those who are at the venue, their phones are not snatched, their bags are not snatched, their bags are not stolen, and things like that. So there will be security within. For purposes of keeping everybody safe who will be coming here, our counter-terrorism officers on Saturday night and morning, on Sunday morning, they will do what they call general sweeping. That means they will come with their sniffer dogs, see if this place is really safe for all of us. So they will do that, and when they have done that, then they will take over this venue. That means whoever will be coming here will be searched. Further, we beg that you relay this message to your comrades, that please, if you are searched, it is just for their own good. It is not that we are demeaning them, but it's just for prevention. And say that the function goes on and ends peacefully. Because if you have secured the venue and everybody is safe here, then out there, along the routes that are coming in and going out, we shall have our joint deployment. And this joint deployment will have police, military police, and also intelligence, all along the routes. Why we are also deploying along all the routes that will be leading here and the routes that are leaving this place? Purposely, as I said earlier, our indisciplined children, who might now say it's the time to go and waylay people. So we shall have heavy deployment outside there, especially along the routes. And we want to caution those young indisciplined children of ours that please do not attempt to come here, because security will be tight. And when it is tight, we know what happened. In such occasion and big celebrations like this, people normally come with children, and sometimes because of excitement, either because of excitement or laxity, the children get lost. We shall have a tent or a desk where all the children who are missing will be reported. This desk will be manned by our child and family protection officers. So they will be there to guide and to help anybody who has a missing child, how the procedure will be. But of course, they will be also supplementing in counseling. Counseling in case you have any counseling or any issue, especially domestic issue. Nowadays we are witnessing domestic violence increasing. So we might not be having the time to visit our offices, to go to our stations. You can also take a minute, 1 or 2, to reach them. They will be able to guide you and counsel you if you have issues to do with domestic violence at home. The traffic plan, there will be several cuts of points by police, especially points that are leading to this place. One of the cut-off points will be at Kabusu roundabout on Kabusu Road. There our traffic officers will be there to direct you which route to pass and where to park, where you will be going to park. They will also direct. There will also be a cut-off at Nabunya Crossroad. Nabunya Crossroad at Lubaga Road. They will do the same. They have parkings which have been designated The parkings are at access to this place. You can access via Kabusu Road, Wakaliga Road. Traffic will be available, and we only appeal to whoever is coming here or to the motorist on Sunday that please abide by the traffic direction and instructions. If they instruct you to pass somewhere, do not insist that this every Sunday I pass here and I should pass here today. Please, if they divert you, at least for once, accept. Do not say that this is my route, this is my route. Be flexible. We have parking for VVIPs. It will be at the main venue, opposite the cathedral. There will also be another parking for VVIPs, and those will be having these tickets, these parking stickers. These are parking stickers for VVIPs. Please, if traffic directs you where to pass, follow. Do not insist that me I'm a VVIP, I'm supposed to use this route. You might use that route and you get blocked somewhere. If they direct you that VVIPs are passing here, use that route that they have directed you. Do not insist. This is parking for VIPs. Our traffic officers will also guide you.
Basabo ne banyabo abatulaba era abatuuliriza, tuli wano ku Lutikko e Lubaga nga tuli mu kweteekerateekera okujaguza olunaku lw'essaza ate n'emyaka 10 egya Lutikko eno ey'e Lubaga. Twagala kwebaza Katonda olunaku lutuuse nga leero Sande 26 Oktoba 2025 nga tubuzaako olunaku lumu lwe lw'enkya. Ensonga enkulu era ey'ekitiibwa ekitwese wano kwe kwongera okutegeeza abantu ba Katonda mwenna oba general public nti ku mukolo guno twetaagako mirembe myereere, era ekituleese wano kwe kwongera okunnyonnyola nga tuli n'omukugu okuva mu kitongole ekikuumaddembe kya poliisi Mwami Patrick Onyango, era gwensaba okwebaza okubeerako naye mu budde buno. Ssebo tukusanyukidde nnyo, weebale nnyo, weebalire ddala. Bwe twogera ku mirembe, emirembe gitandika naawe, andaba era mpuliriza, emirembe gitandika nange. So twandiyagadde okuyita mu mukolo guno, tusaba okuyita mu mukolo guno nga buli omu ali mu ssanyu, nga buli omu ali mu mirembe. Akatundu kano keŋŋendako kweka okubategeeza pulogulaamu nga bwegenda okubeera, ate ow'ekitiibwa Afande Patrick Onyango ajja tubuulira ku bidda okwekuuma ate n'obukuumi obuliwo mu budde buno. Twagala okwaniriza ennyo bannamawulire ate nga muli kitundu kyakujaguza kuno, naffe era obukuumi bututwaliramu nga bannamawulire. Ensonga lwaki tuteekeddwa naffe okwegendereza okukolagana obulungi n'ebitongole ebikuuma ddembe. Ku ssaawa 2 zennyini ez'okumakya ku Sande, abantu ba Katonda bonna bajja kuba batuuka okuva ku ssaawa 2 okutuuka ku ssaawa 2 n'ekitundu ez'okumakya. Ate ku ssaawa 2 n'ekitundu okutuuka ku ssaawa 3 abagenyi ab'ebitiibwa abaayitibwa ne kaadi nabo bajja kuba batuuka. Naye nga bali bensoose, kitaffe Ssaabasumba yabawa kaadi eri open. Ku ssaawa 3 zennyini okutuuka ku ssaawa 3 n'eddakiika 2 tujja kubaawo n'ekijjukizo eky'okusimba omuti olw'emyaka 10 n'olw'emyaka 59 egy'essaza lyaffe ery'e Kampala. Okuva ku ssaawa 3 n'eddakiika 2 okutuuka ku ssaawa 4 tujja kuba tusimbye ennyiriri nga tuyingira Lutikko, nga tuyingira ekibuga Yeruzalemu, okwongera okwebaza Katonda olw'emyaka 10 egya Lutikko eyo. Ate ku ssaawa 4 zennyini misa etandike, era ng'ejja kukulemberwa Kitaffe Ssaabasumba oba Ssaabepisikoopi Pawulo Ssemwogerere ng'ali wamu n'abasumba abalala abagenda okuva mu masaza amalala. Emmisa ejja kuggwa ssaawa 6 zennyini ez'omutuntu. Tubeerawo n'okwogera okutono okw'abagenyi abalondeddwamu okutuuka ku ssaawa 7 zennyini. Okuva ku ssaawa 7 zennyini okutuuka ku ssaawa 8, abagenyi ab'ebitiibwa nga naawe mwoli tujja kuba tukkirira mu kisaawe mu kibangirizi ekyateekebwateekebwa gye tugenda okusanyukira nga tunywa nga tulya ate n'okusanyusibwa abantu abalondeddwa. Ssaawa 8 zennyini tujja kufuna essaala eggulawo emikolo egyo. Ku ssaawa 8:10 tujja kuba ffenna tugabulwa ebyokunywa ate n'ebyokulya. Ku ssaawa 8 nga tufuna ekyokulya tujja kuba tusanyusibwa abantu abalondeddwamu. Ku ssaawa 9 okutuuka ku ssaawa 9:45, ate ku ssaawa 9:45 okutuuka ku ssaawa 10 tujja kulaba ebyafaayo ebya Lutikko eno emyaka 10 mu bufunze mu documentary oba ku lutambi ebiviira ddala emabega. Ate okutuukira ddala ku ssaawa 10:15 okwabiri ziba zitumala, tujja kufuna okwogera okutono ate ne keeke esalibwe olw'okwongera okujjukira emyaka 10. Awo tujja kutuukira ddala ku ssaawa 11 nga okusanyusibwa bwe kugenda mu maaso n'ebivuga eby'enjawulo ba guest artists bonna bye balonze. Ate engeri gye twazze okusanyuka buli omu ajja kuddayo obudde bw'anaaba asiimye, bw'anaaba alonze. Naye kye twagala okubakakasa nti security weeri, obukuumi we buli, tutuule entende. So tubaagaliza omukolo omulungi. Kaakati nsaba n'obuwombeefu Afande Patrick Onyango ayogereko eri eggwanga n'okwongera okwogera ku bukuumi buno. Tweyanza nnyo ssebo, tweyanze, tukusanyukidde nnyo.